In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your USAA debit card number on the app. This can be really handy if you need quick access to your card details for online purchases or any other reason. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to open the USAA mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to do so from your app store, whether it be the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. Always ensure your login details are secure and not shared with anyone, as they grant access to your financial information. Once you're logged into the app, take a look at the top section of your screen. You'll see a small icon representing your profile, usually located in the upper right corner. Tap on that profile icon to access your account settings and options. In this section, you will find several options such as My Account, My Card, Move Money, Transfer, Pay Bills, and Deposit. These are all designed to help you manage your banking needs effortlessly. For our purpose today, pay attention to the option labeled My Card. Now let's focus on My Card. Tap on this option and it will bring up details related to your debit and credit cards linked to your USAA account. This section is really useful because it summarizes all your cards, making it much easier to manage them. At this point, you can see the cards that are linked to your account. Navigate through this section and locate your debit card. You might have more than one card, but don't worry, they are usually labeled clearly to avoid any confusion. Here's the crucial step. Once you've located your card, you'll see an option that says Show Card Number. It's a security feature USAA offers, so you can access your card number when needed without having it displayed all the time, keeping your information secure. Tap on Show Card Number, and voila, your debit card number will be presented on the screen for you to view. Make sure you're in a secure location when doing this, just to ensure no one else is viewing your sensitive information. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view your USAA debit card number via the app. Remember, always keep your financial details private and secure, ensuring you log out of the app when you're done, especially if you're using a shared device. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore USAA's app for more features or contact their customer service for assistance. Until next time, take care and stay safe.